Hi, how are you? It's Ching at the Heights of Wellness. Today's lesson, we're going to go into the foot and the leg health. So your foot and the leg as one when we're talking about 5 checkpoint, remember? So all the movement goes to your foot is the muscle from your leg, the dorsal or plantar. So we're going to focus on the foot and the leg strengthening work today. And the previous work we did sitting, strengthen your foot only. Now the leg comes in because we get a little more by standing upright. So there's weight bearing. There are 2 movements I'm going to share with you, and in 2 different positions. And next week I'm going to do a little more on the foot and leg balancing. So let's start with today's first. Okay. So this is my temporary countertop. So what you can do is bring your cell phone at the counter or the desk, right? You need to hold on to it if you've never done this before, because it has some balance involved. So right here, you can do with both hands on the counter or desk, wherever you can find that's the right height. And we practice when you get really good, all this week, before the next week, you can try to do one hand, so it's a little more challenge, right? So I'm going to do 2 hands so you can see my footwork a little better. So right here, nice and tall, right? Engage your abdominal, 5 checkpoint. I'm going to stay straight first, okay? So I'm going to lift my heel first, and I'm going to slowly point my toes. And I get all my 5 toes down and heel down. And do that 4 times. Exhales up, inhales down. Again, you can notice this is actually a lot of dance training in the gymnast. That whoever need to use should use the foot. Okay, so here we go. Ankle, toes, toes, ankle. Engage your abdominal, ankle, point, and return. Again, sometimes you flex your toes, extend the toes down. One more time. Flex your toes and extend the toes, come down. Now, next one, we're going to do with the knee bent. I'm actually do heel lifting with the knee bend. So we're working on the soleus. So back of your leg, you have gastra, soleus. Soleus is actually one joint muscle, so you need to with the knee bend. And that's actually your second heart. There's an artery goes through. It's really important to make sure them function really nice to pumping the blood back into your heart and then go back down. So there's a lot of detail happening. And why are you doing this? Okay. So now I'm going to bend both my knee, same with my hip, 2 hands, and slowly lift the heel up. 1, slowly return. So you can see right away. So I'm getting nice Achilles tendon stretch too. I'm going to do 6 times, 3. And guess what? The bonus is I'm strengthening that muscle, intrinsic muscle in the metatarsal and arch. I'm strengthening my foot. 2 more times, press down the exhale, inhale, return. Again, exhale, inhale, return, then you stand up straight. That's all. Those are just 2 exercises, but now I'm going to do laterally rotate. So in dance, we call it turnout, right? So there you have a deep 6. Sometimes we call it turnout muscle. So if you squeeze the muscle inside the gluteus maximum, the gluteus maximum will go with it. You have laterally, so toes point sideways. That's lateral mean. So open your toes to the side. So I'm going to do one hand so you can see the direction better. The first part, remember, heel up. Toes out, transfer weight to that supporting leg 4 times. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Last one. Of course, you can do more. And come back. And the inhale, exhale. I love to do a lot of foot exercise, right? When I exercise, I don't wear shoes. Because I talk to every muscle you have. 2 more. And the inhale, exhale, and exhale again, nice and tall. Exhale. Okay, good. Do you remember the second one? Yes, you bend both knees first, gently touch. You can, of course, facing that way. I just do this way you can see better. Okay, you're going to lift the heel up 1 and return. Also, you can keep your ankle nice and straight. 2. Exhale, 3. And exhale, 4. Feel the first responder, right? Exhale, pursed lip, 5. And 6. And return, stand up. I'm going to show you one sideways so you can see my ankle straight. I'll show you good one and not so good one. Okay, so right here, I bend both my knee. My ankle straight when I lift up. 1. Okay, I do that one more time. So your ankle straight. So the center is actually your second toe. So this is the no one. Okay, don't go like that. You can see that. So your ankle signal, you can go to little toes. That's not so safe. You're gonna overly stretch the outside. Right? So the physics is not properly done. So you're strengthening the wrong muscles and kind of wasting time too, right? So do it properly. Make sure your ankle nice and straight. Even sideways, you lift up. See my ankle straight now like this, okay? Don't sickle. Keep the ankle nice and straight. So second toe is actually your center toe. That's it for today. And practice so you feel your feet and your legs can be thank you, because so often we either stand too long or we sit all the time. So that foot and the leg, the calf, doesn't get enough work. So pumping the blood, help you pumping the blood right back. So the circulation is so much better. Okay, that's it. Take good care, and I see you next week. Keep practicing. Your feet will be so happy, and you will be so happy. So take good care. Bye.